from the third, Jonas and Dan Byer and John Ramos, is what an incredible teammate. When Kirk Cousins took the reins and took over this team, Robert Griffin III was a model citizen. Did anybody hear anything different than that?
Last year, he kept his mouth shut.
Years
Before there were rumors that he was a little bit of a but last year, I thought he handled it pretty well. Didn't cause me problems.
Yeah.
This is a tactful term. Federal, state, local, but then now these cohorts of doctors now saying that they can do their part as well.
How much money do they think?
Great game. I would rather watch what's going on today. I agree. This is an issue with the Pac-12 networks.